Hello and welcome back to Plug TV. Today we want to dive into the music and the life of a true Zimbabwean legend, Cephas Mashakada. Cephas Mashakada was known for his soulful voice and his electrifying guitar playing, and his music transcended beyond borders. His music is still inspiring a lot of Zimbabwean music and also people beyond borders. So let's get started. Cephas Mashakada was born in the year 1960 in Chinhoyi, Moto, Zimbabwe. He started his music career at a very early stage, achinotanga a band called the Wild 10 Band. Iro rakaita kuti apave way for his solo endeavors or solo projects ake. But iroro band, it wasn't the one which is believed to ndo rakanomsimudza. Cephas Mashakada worked with the Bundu Boys. The Bundu Boys, it is believed that it is the band that helped him to have that confidence to start the Muddy Face, the band that he worked with till the time he passed on. So the Bundu Boys introduced him to the world. We want to give much appreciation to the Bundu Boys. The boys Takawana Chexela, and we are going to talk about the Bundu Boys in some of our episodes. However, Mashakada's desire for his own sound led to the formation of the Muddy Face Band. The unique sound yaiblenda ipapo inesungura yakaitawo kuti yakaresonate with Zimbabwe's music or zvinhu zvaifarirwa nemaZimbabweans emuZimbabwe, which was the audience yake. With his hits like Anana Samson Waramba and Waramba Hire Kunamata, and music like we are oponeske anga achimba music kuti yaipinda kwese kuchurch wainzwa, kumariro wainzwa, everywhere wainzwa music ya Cephas Mashakada. He was known for being the Moto Muzhinji, because pastage pake paibvera moto, see mudhara vehosho uchiona iye akabata guitar apa, it was all electrifying. So Mashakada's music was confined to Zimbabwe. He toured extensively. Zokuti music yake yange ichingunopinda muvanhu, so melodies aibuda muna vaMashakada ndeyekuti you would feel kuti no paanda kuZimbabwe. So he toured sematoiro aitongoitowana naBundu Boys, but the Bundu Boys was the most touring, but vaMashakada vakaona nzvimbo. Despite my health issues akazongosangana nawo, and he got his leg amputated nekuda kwe-diabetes, and zvinhu zvakatoaffecta his career yakinge iri bright zvakanakisa kudaro. What's surprising part about vaMashakada, despite his health challenges and stuff, he never lost his spirit of performance, his good spirit, his enduring spirit. Vakaramba vachiimba till the time yavakazoita pass on in 2011. He left behind an incredible mark in Zimbabwean music. Kwese vaingonzwa vaMashakada, and up to now we're still finding people vanoimba zvatinoteerera tiri tese. So that is it from this episode of the Plug TV and the Plug podcast.